Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Pete here, and I'm bringing you guys another video with the GTI. This video is going to focus on leather cleaning. Now, this is my steamer. It's a Dupre. I think they call it the Cube, and it's $150, and I believe it's like an Amazon special. So yeah, I apologize for the light. If I would do, like, I would close the garage door, but then it kind of hides the what I'm trying to show to you guys. But yeah, so as you guys can see from the title of the video, this video is going to focus on how to pretty much restore, and not fully, because it's still going to have its scratches, still going to look weathered, but how to kind of get rid of that greasy, shiny look in your steering wheel. Now this is pretty awesome because you kind of don't have to use any chemicals at all. All you need is a pretty good steamer. Mine's actually a relatively cheap one too. This Dupre is like only 150 bucks, and some of them run up to like 900 bucks. Those like professional ones, but this one, it does the job, and it gets pretty hot, so that's something to keep mindful of. But as you guys can see, so this is how I achieve these really nice results. Now, one thing that I noticed, before I want to show you guys my demonstration, and you guys may also agree with this, but this side always looks more weathered and greasier than this side. I don't know why, but this side just looks so nice. And that's annoying for me because I'm pretty OCD about this stuff, so when one side looks different from the other, it's a pain in the neck. But one thing you also do want to keep in mind of is when you clean this, it's going to show some scratches, and it's going to show just kind of beaten up leather, but at the same time it's not going to be greasy, so it's kind of a win-lose, but it's more of a win. To me, it's more of a win, because it was getting to the point where I was just thinking, well, I'm going to get a steering wheel wrap because I'm so sick of looking at this greasy wheel. But things that I've tried before is the reason why I'm just clearing this is because it gets watery, and I don't want it to get watery. But I've used Chemical Guys cleaner, I've used Magic Eraser. I'm not going to go back to Magic Eraser. I'm pretty scared to use Magic Eraser. I'm pretty sure it removes dye, but it does remove dye if you keep going. But I feel super safe with this. This doesn't remove any dye, to my knowledge, but I don't think it does. I haven't had any I haven't seen any results of that. And if it does, you guys leave in the comments. Tell me if this is a really safe thing to do, because to be honest with you, I don't really know, but I've had good results, so whatever. But all right, so what I do here is first, I'm just gonna clear it again, get all the water out, and we're gonna first start by kind of making one little swoop. As you guys can see, I don't like to apply a lot of pressure, just because the bristles are really, really hard. This is the wand is connecting to some little brush. It comes with the entire package. It comes with all these little accessories, which is really nice. And then it's 2 microfiber cloths that are double folded, or folded once. So it's I think it's up to like 4 layers between the bristles and the leather. So that's really good to keep the leathers from scratching, because the bristles are pretty hard. And as you guys can see, I don't wipe it dry. I kind of just let it dry on its own, and it's gonna turn to pretty much this. But as you guys can see, yeah, it is starting to dry. And I don't really know the best setting for this. You could possibly do it in the sun. I don't think it's bad to do it in the sun. You're not using chemicals, so it's not drying. You're just using steam. But yeah, so it's pretty awesome. I'm stoked that I found this kind of alternative to chemicals, because number one, it saves me money. Number two, well, it saves me money long run. I did spend 150 bucks on this, but it saves on chemicals, so I don't have to keep buying it. That's one pain in the neck. I really don't have a problem spending the money. It's just like, I have to order it because I get Chemical Guys, and now I really don't have to do that because I also do my seats with this. And as you guys can see with my seats look pretty darn good. I haven't focused too much attention on the seats. As you guys can sort of see here is a little bit of shine. A little bit of shine that follows kind of the rim. This leather, I'm pretty sure it's pleather, so not necessarily the best quality. But if you guys sort of want to see it before, I don't have any pictures to really show you, but I post so many POV drives, and you guys will sort of see. Definitely pay attention to this side if you guys go back to watch those videos, because it's pretty shiny. And now it's really matte. It's really, like, you don't see much going on with reflections or anything. It's really, really nice. I mean, look at that supple leather. I mean, you got a scratch right here, but you can't do much about that. And yeah, so I'm pretty stoked I found this alternative to chemicals and magic eraser, because wow, I mean, just look at it. It almost looks new, and I'm not gonna be like, it looks just like new. It doesn't look just like new. It's been beat up. It's 3 years of abuse, so. But it does look clean, and that's what I'm happy about. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys took away from this, and hopefully you guys are interested in buying steamer or moving to a steamer alternative. What I want to do at one point, and I'm not going to do this on the GTI probably ever, just because I like my paint, but I'm going to try the exterior, because apparently you can clean exteriors with this steamer. So I'm going to try that, but not on the GTI, and on somebody who's willing to risk it, I suppose. And I'll make a video on that maybe if you guys are interested. But anyway, stay tuned for more videos to come. I'm going on a nice little vacation, and which essentially means, like, it's not a vacation from YouTube. It's actually going to be more videos for YouTube, because there are some cool plans that involve cool cars, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. So stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.